Welcome, today in front of me Huawei Y5p, and I'll show you how to enter split screen on this device. First we should open, for example, two applications here. Just go back to the click once on the home button to go back to hit the home screen, and now just tap here to the app overview button, as can you see. And now, for example, we can tap here, and here you will see the split screen icon. Just tap here once and you can see that we can use our device in the split screen right now. And for example, we can open two applications at the same time. If you want to just turn off one from these applications, for example, just swipe down and you will just open only and use only one application. And also, if you want to just close these two applications together at the same time, just click here twice on the home button and swipe here this application to the app. And that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.